Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do orange segments. And so we're just going to take an orange, we're going to remove the ends so we have a nice flat piece. Then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to follow the curve of the orange and take the peel off, removing all of the white pith. So I'm just going to come and trim off any excess that I missed. So the pith, it's going to be a little bitter and it's just not as pleasant to eat. And so with the orange segments, or an orange supreme, as the French call it. So now that we have it peeled, you can see the membrane that goes in between. So we're just going to take our knife and we're going to cut in between, following that membrane on both sides, and then popping it out. So this is good. Kids like it. They'll eat their oranges a lot easier and ask for more. It's good for salads, garnishing a plate. So then with my thumb, I'm using to hold back the membrane, so that way, kind of like a matchbook or a book where the pages are just being held off to the side. So it's good too to hold your bowl under your orange so that way you can catch all the juice. And then afterwards, we're going to squeeze all the juice out of this, and it just helps to keep your segments nice and juicy from drying out. Also, if there's any seeds, it gives you the opportunity too to pull those out, and just for making for a more pleasurable experience. And also, try using a paring knife on this too. As I said, chef knife is one of my favorite knives, and so I use it for everything. So just squeezing out that juice, add all that flavor back in there, and keeping the segments nice and juicy. All right, today I'm going to segment this orange without having to peel it. So I'm going to start by cutting off the ends of the orange. And then I'm going to take the orange and I'm going to cut down the center, not going all the way through, just going to the halfway point. And then from there, I'm just going to spread this open. And so with a fresher or a more ripe orange, it's going to leave these segments a little nicer. So it's a fun way to give to your kids. That way they can just pull the segments out and eat them without making a mess.